Hello, my name is Jarett Fajardo. I'm one of the instructors at Cinema Makeup School, and this is Digital Effects. Digital Effects is a one-week class where we learn to edit, retouch, and create digital monsters in Photoshop for special effects makeups. Parts of the curriculum include blemishes, cleaning up old age photos, and working on developing a conceptual design digitally on the actual actor or model that you would use on set. So before we even go to set and create these creatures, we need to pre-visualize what we're going to make. We get a model and an actor, and we got to turn them into a fat suit, an old age makeup, or a creature design that needs to be approved by the crew, the producers, directors, before we actually spend time and effort making it. By the end of Digital Effects, students will have the knowledge to create special effects designs for makeups in Photoshop.